Guess what, everybody? It's Mario Mystery Block Day. Let's see what we got sent. Let's see what we got sent. These shirts, bro. I love these shirts. What'd you say? New powers in the block. Yes. 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 New powers in the block. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, Ludwig. Ludwig. It looks like it's a Goldie from from Animal Crossing. And last but not least, what is this? Ah, it's a bag with a question mark. And then you got the star. Oh my God, I love it, love it, love it. Ow. This is awesome. This is what I pay monthly for, and I love it. I absolutely love the shirts. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Absolutely amazing.